If you're starting Airsoft, having the right gear makes all the difference. First, invest in quality eye protection. It's the single most important piece of equipment. Choose an airsoft rifle or pistol that matches your role, and carry extra magazines plus reliable BBS so you're never short on ammo. A chest rig or plate carrier keeps your gear organized and easy to reach. Good boots and gloves protect you and improve mobility. And don't forget water and a small toolkit for quick fixes between games. With the basics covered, you'll play safer and perform better on the field.